Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to change a country or region on iPhone iOS 26 without any payment method. For example, if you try to change your country or region and after that you see the payment method options available. So if you want to change the country without payment method, so how you can do that? So this is what you have to do. You have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have simply go to settings. So in settings, you have to simply click on general, and in general, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have simply click on reset, and you have reset all of your network settings. And after that, you have simply go back. Now, if you want to change country or region without payment method, then there are two methods available. First method is as that you have to simply open the App Store here. So in App Store, you have to simply click on that profile and you have to click on neighbor Apple ID here. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply wait for some time so that your Face ID scanning available. So after scanning your Face ID and verification, a new kind of interface will be available where you can simply check your manage payments and country or region. So you have to simply click on that, and after that you have to simply select the country which you want to change the country region. So you have to simply select that country. For example, we are going to select the United States. So here we have to simply click on that, and after that you have to simply agree the terms and conditions of the country or region. So if you have any subscription in previous country or region, then you have to make sure about that. You have a check for the country or region because some subscription do not work in specific countries. So you have to make sure about that. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply click on continue, and you have to provide your payment method as it is collected. So you have to wait for some time, and you have to simply agree the terms and conditions. And after that, you will find the payment method. So here you have to simply provide your payment method. So if you have been asked for the payment method, then you have to wait for some time because there is also a method which in which available option is a non-payment option. So you have to wait for some time so that in payment method you can simply select a non-payment method, and after that you can simply select none, and after verification of your address and all the details, your country or region will be changed. So in this way, you can simply change country or region without any problem. So for the next method is as that you have to simply go to settings and you have to click on neighbor Apple ID here. And after that, you have to simply click on media and purchases, and you have to click on view account. And same kind of interface will be available, which was available in previous method. You can simply find the next method is the same as the previous one. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.